guys, Mega Love and shout out. Welcome back to my channel guys, Summer Mix Vlogs. Ayan, ang video natin today guys is pagkain na naman tayo. Ayan guys, oh. Meron tayong paksiw na bangus. Meron tayong breaded chicken. Tapos, ito yung pinakain natin guys. Yung fried rice. Ayan siya. Fried rice. Yan, paksiw na bangus, breaded chicken. Cheesy yan guys, cheesy. Paborito ng mga bata. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, kain na tayo guys. Ayan, thank you for watching. God bless us all.